When a tsunami warning is issued, what do? Find out about the warning signs of how to prepare and stay safe. These 6 steps could actually save your life. Number 1. Be prepared for a tsunami. If you're traveling the areas that are known to be tsunami hotspots, it's vital to be prepared. Inside your travel pack, make sure you keep an emergency kit in case you need to make a dash in the middle of the night. Stock food, water, climate-appropriate clothes, and if possible, a small first aid kit. Keep it packed with enough essentials for a few days. However, try your best to keep it light so you can pick it up and scamper in an instant. You might need it if you have to. Number 2. Get to higher ground. Run up a hill. That is literally the best advice anyone could give in regards to tsunami safety. If the feeling is that a tsunami is about to eat your area, it's better to be safe than sorry. The 3 vital signs you can use to detect an impending tsunami are: Number 1. You feel shake and tremor under your foot. Number 2. The water begins to recede. Number 3. If you hear a loud roar from the ocean. Be alert to any warnings made by a local authority. Tsunamis can strike very quickly following an earthquake, so the quicker and higher you get up the hill, the better. If you have a lighter emergency pack, you will travel faster. You don't want to be lumbered by an enormous suitcase. Number 3. Stay there. Tsunamis tend to not to strike once. There are usually several cycles of tsunami that are spaced out over time, and some can last up to a few days. If you get to a lower ground permanently, you could get caught up in a second or third tsunami wave. This is why it's important to keep high and dry for a sustained period. But when making your assessment of when to go back down, it's also very important to listen to the advice of the authorities. Number 4. Be extremely cautious with warnings and warning system. In the recent years, developing nations plagued by tsunamis have suffered from the effect of vandals and thieves tampering with and destroying systems put in place to alert authorities about the impending tsunami. In some cases, authorities have delivered radio broadcasts giving an all clear for people to descend from the hills, only to be trumped by a second, third, or fourth wave. Again, the mantra here is to be extremely cautious when making a decision to descend. Listen closely to alerts, but be careful if you are given the all out. Number 5. Know the topography of your destination. It's vital to know not only the tsunami history of the area you're traveling to, but also the topography of the location. Villages established on low sea levels will get hammered by a tsunami, and villages settled in deeper water area are not as affected. This information can be vital to your action plan if a tsunami happens. Number 6. Know the locals and authorities. It's important to make an attempt, even across language barriers, to talk to locals of the area you're staying in about the system and infrastructure is in place to deal with a tsunami. Every area is different, so they will range from very little to comprehensive. Arm yourself with the best information you can. Your investigation can very well save your life. Remember to subscribe and turn on post notifications so you'll be notified every time we post a new video. Thanks for watching. See you soon.